Hello, by now you have seen the introduction to standard form. We will continue our lesson with an example. Okay, so let's look at the first example. Here we want to convert a number greater than 9 to standard form. Examples of numbers greater than 9: 12, 56, 700, 10,000, a million. All these numbers are greater than 9. In this example, we're going to convert 567 to standard form. Let's start by rewriting 567 by adding a decimal point behind 7. Okay, let's spread out the digits and we add a decimal point behind 7. Recall that the standard format has a number multiplied by 10 to the power of index. So I have to introduce 10 right now as a base to the power of 0. Why 0? Because 10 to the power of 0 is 1, and any number multiplied by 1 is still this number. This is an important step because this step brings us to the next one, where we have to shift the decimal point to the left. When we shift to the left, then I have to change the index by 1. If you can check the answer simply by working out 56.7 multiplied by 10, and that will give us the original problem, 567. Okay, so now we know we have to shift the decimal point. We continue to do the shifting. Now the decimal point is between 5 and 6, and the index has now incremented to 2. The question now is, when do we stop shifting the decimal point? We will stop shifting the decimal point when it is behind the first digit. In this case, 5 is our first digit. This digit has to be a non-zero. So when we are behind this number, we should not move the decimal point anymore. Therefore, the answer of the original question is 5.67 times 10 to the power 2. And this is the standard form. Notice that the decimal point is shifted 2 times to the left, and the power of base 10 is 2. If I use another number, 5,678, the decimal point is shifted 3 times to the left, and the power of base 10 is 3. In summary, the power of base 10 is equal to the number of times decimal point is shifted. We stop the shifting of the decimal point when it is behind the first digit, which has to be a non-zero.